Women vendors of Khwairamband Ima Keithels on September 1st have decided to shut the market and its adjoining areas today, condemning the rampant acts of terror being let loose by the armed Kuki militants and their supporters who are using sophisticated weapons, including bombs, causing many casualties among the Meitei people residing in the area of Narasena, Thamnapokpi in Bishnupur district. As a follow-up of the decision, shops in the Khwairamband markets are closed today with the exception of medical pharmacies in and around the area. In order to avoid any untoward incident, city police and personnel of RAF have been deployed in the area.
Khwairamband Ima Keithels ni ngarang September gi tarikh amada Keithel phami ma mayang gi warep ki khapona sintha lepagi khongjang ama sangsanggani haibagi mphagona ngasi Keithel da thonglona bagi masa ama yamna chawna uba phangli Keithel na sida thonglon bagi masak urabasu hangdabe adaba dukan habadi pharmacy gumba kharadi hangbagi masak su dum uba phangli Keithel na sigi nak ekta makha taba dungai taba thodok thoktana bagi damakta State Force amadi RF na ngak senduna su leibagi masak masu uba phangli video journalist henthoiba amasung paudamjariba Khwairamband Ima Keithels Elite News Khwairamband Keithels